Wind things up with the look at the livestock trade, and Todd Horwitz doing the honors here, BubbaTrading.com. I was talking to you on the radio this morning, so I already know the answer, but I'm going to, for those that can't tune in on the radio, you like what you see here. I mean, as far as where we are in this beef and pork trade, kind of like what the future is going to hold for us.
You are talking about XM 147, right?
Yeah, yes, that's it, the only one.
Of course, I do like beef here. Again, I think we're having very nice bottoming action here. There's a lot of bears out there. We've had already markets call this a bear market. And, you know, I'm a big fan of when analysts start to get involved and start calling markets one way. That's usually the end of the run. And I believe that to be true here in both live and feeder cattle. I think that, you know, we're around 109 last look, 109 and change in the fats. I think that that's an area that I want to step in. Now, again, we may go lower. And I'm not, you know, obviously I never guarantee a price. Right. But these are areas I want to be a buyer. I think we've got much higher prices coming down the road. I think what you're going to see is when these outside markets stop interfering and everything else, you're going to start to see that there's going to be more demand here. I think we'll start to see some money flow back into these markets and push them higher, and they will also end up squeezing the shorts. Now, I'm hoping that they don't squeeze the shorts too fast because I want to get a nice little rally going here. We've got a nice floor base we've been building over the last couple of weeks, which I really like to see. So that's good for the cattle. The hogs, I'm pretty concerned here, Mark. I think 78 was key. Now we're dying the death of 1,000 deaths here because it just dribbles down. But now we're in the 76s. I think 73 is our next target. I wouldn't touch them now until I see 73. And I don't like what it looks like going forward. I'm not a seller here because I missed the sale if I wanted to be a seller. But here, 78 is going to act as super resistance on the way back up. And we're now looking at a target probably of 73 to the downside.
Yeah, 78.15 was the high today in August. So you're exactly right there as far as today is concerned, and technically where traders are going to start to sell this thing back. Todd, I want to give the numbers to our viewers and listeners one more time, and we thank you for your time this morning on radio and now here on Market Day Report again. So we'll keep in touch and we'll talk to you tonight when we wrap it all up on our evening news.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Todd Horwitz, it's Bubba Trading, and the website is BubbaTrading.com. Great friend here on Market Day Report. So, though, here are the numbers, and they're up to the minute, up to the moment. One more check here. Live cattle futures, August down 65, 109.75. Looking at the October, down $1.27, 108.20. Todd likes where that space is now. He said putting in a nice bottoming action here and can work higher in here from this point. Looking at the feeder cattle trade, down not quite as much, but although near $1 lower. August down 97 at 138.93. And our hog futures right now. One last look. August down 93, 76.42. And if we don't hold 76, Todd Horwitz thinks 73 might be the next stop down. You can watch those numbers along with him. And October down 42 points, 63.88. And that brings everybody up to date. We'll have the closing prices and his analysis on our evening news tonight.
All right.